The Kismile 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer with removable basket. Whether cooling extra gallons of milk and refreshing beverages or quick freezing meats, fish, and ice cream, the Kismile 3.5 cubic foot chest freezer's 7-grade temperature control lets you choose between 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 7.6 degrees Fahrenheit and uses very little energy. Just turn the dial to the temperature you need, and the high-efficiency R600A compressor goes to work. A red power light and green operating light let you know that the Kismile is working in top condition. The insulated lid holds at 45 or 90-degree angles for ease of use and closes to form a tight seal. A wide-mouth drain valve lets water flow quickly when you're manually defrosting. At 21.18 by 21.7 by 30.94 inches, this compact chest freezer is perfect for dorms, game rooms, and your vacation home. Now for some pros. It's a convenient companion freezer, great for even small apartments and efficiencies, and energy saving. Now here's the cons. Limited online information, no warranty information, and a third-party purchase.